Passport, a document needed to travel overseas. The penguin stored his passport on his phone. Boarding pass, a special ticket to board a plane. She got a boarding pass as soon as she checked in. Runway, the place a plane lands and takes off. The plane roared down the runway. Overhead bin, the storage above an airplane seat. He stuffed his luggage in the overhead bin. Duty free, a tax-free store. He stocked up at the duty-free store.